First, you need to do the sum. So, for example, let's do... Why isn't it letting me type? Oh, that's just... First, you need to write down a sum. For example, 3,743 divided by 4. Next, you need to do the bus stop. That looks like this. Then your biggest number, which is 3,743, needs to go under here. Oh, I've done it wrong. First, you need to write down a sum. For example, 3,743 divided by 4. That's the one that I'll be using. Right, let's go on with the sum. First, you need to do the bus stop grid like this. Then you need to put the biggest number that under the bus stop. In my case, it's 3,743. And then the smallest number needs to go outside, like that 4. Then you need to do how many 4s go into 3? 0. So you would put the 0 on top of the 3, and then put the 3 above the 7, but a bit more to the left, a small one. And then you need to do how many 4s go into 37. That would be 9. And then you would put the little one above the 4, but a bit more to the left. After that, you need to do how many 4s go into 14. That would be 3. And then it would be remainder 2. And then you would put the 2 down there. After that, you would have to do how many 4s go into 23. That would be 5. And you would put that above the 3. Then it would be remainder 3.
Would that be the same with any other number?
Yes, and you would use the exact same method. First, you need to write down the sum. For example, ours today would be 3,743 divided by 4. And then you need to do the bus, oh, I've done it wrong. First you need to write the sum. For example, ours is today 3,743 divided by 4. Next you need to do the bus, oh, what is it called? The bus
stop.
The bus stop, what the...
The bus stop.
The bus...
Called the bus stop.
First, you need to write down a sum. For example, 3,743 divided by 4 equals. Next, you need to do the bus stop method, which looks like this. Then, you would put the biggest number, which is 3,743, under it, like that. And then you need to put the 4 next to it, but the other side of the line. After that, you need to do how many 4s go into 3? 0. And then you would put the 3 above the 7, but to the left. After that, you would do how many 4s go into 37. That would be 9. But then you would do remainder 1 because 4 times 9 is 36. But there's 1 left over. So then you would put the 1 next to the 4 to the left. Then you would do how many 4s go into 14. That would be 3. Remainder 2. Then you would put a little 2 next to the 3 to the left. Then you would do how many 4s go into 23. That would be 5, because 4 times 5 is 20. But then you have 3 left over, so then it would be remainder 3. Or, if you wanted to do it the decimal way, you would put the point and then 0, 0, 0, 0. And then you would put the 3 next to, a little 3 next to the 0 and do how many 4s go into 30. That would be 7, and then it would be remainder 2. So then you would put the 2 next to the other 0, and then you would do how many 4s go into 5. So that would be 935.75 or 935 remainder 3. So then you would put the answer here. 935 remainder 3.
So would that be the same in any other number?
Yeah.